Hello everyone, Meg is here, and this week piece is a customer piece. This bunch has a story behind. I tell you guys later on the video. My client wants Puerto Rico vibes on this bench. I'm going to paint. I will make my decoupage to use, and I'm going to leave this. I think this is character on this bench. I'm going to leave. I'm just will do a scarf sandy, and let's go to start. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work in a commission piece. It's a bench. In all this month June, I'm working in commission, all months in commission piece. If you want to know how I can get my clients, stay tuned with me. I'll let you know later on the video. And this bench has a story behind it. I'm so excited to work on this bench, and I'm so blissful for the lady asking for I make this makeover for her. And let's go to start. This is my base color. I'm going to apply the decoupage I make from the wall art. The lady gave me the inspiration. I'm going to use some water on the edge. If you are interested how I make my decoupage paper, please leave the comment below. I'm going to apply with top coat. I use my hands because for me works better with my hands. I found these frogs on internet. I think this is very cool for the Puerto Rico vibes. I'm going to use two. it's time to protect my bench. I'm going to use polyester in matte finish. I got to apply with my 350 Wagner spray gun, and of course I use my safety mask. Before the final review, I want to share with you guys how I get my clients. I get my clients from family and friends and from the apps I use to sell my furniture. The most clients I got is from the apps I use to sell my furniture. I'm going to share with you guys step by step how I can advertise that. And this is my Facebook store page on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to click this, for example. Go to view the listing, and in the description of my item everything, and I leave a note like this. And I'm very happy this week I have another video on a Sunday. Is a collaboration with Miss Flips, eco-friendly. I'm so happy with that. And this month I have all months commission piece, and I go to redo the sneak peek for that video. For next video will be on June 19 on Sunday for the challenge eco-friendly hosting by Miss Flips. This bunch is done. I'm so happy. I have too much fun to work on this bench and to give a Puerto Rico vibes. The little cookies, frogs. And the story around this bunch is the tree fall off on lady's house years ago, and her husband was a professor on university, and he never did nothing with hands, and he decided to cut the tree down and make a bookshelf. He has in his house more than 8,000 books, but the only thing he made was this bench. And he passed away a few years ago, and the lady who wants this has too much emotional for her. Keep this bench because it's the only thing he made. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope the guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye.